In this video, I will show you how I get ChatGPT to write like a real human instead of a robot by using specific stylistic constraints and custom instructions. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll head to the chat bar and type in a set of core writing rules designed to break those typical AI patterns. I'm instructing the AI to use natural, conversational language and to vary its sentence lengths to create a better rhythm, just like a person would when speaking. I also tell it to explicitly avoid those overused AI phrases like delve into or certainly that often act as a giveaway. Once I send this initial prompt, ChatGPT updates its memory to prioritize these linguistic preferences. To test out the new tone, I'll copy a basic blog prompt about the benefits of waking up early from my notes and paste it into the chat. The first result is decent, but it still feels a little too formal for what I'm looking for. To refine it, I'll follow up by asking it to add more humor and personality, specifically requesting it to sound like a friend talking to a friend. As you can see, that second version is much more relatable and engaging. To make this change permanent so I don't have to repeat myself in every new chat, I'll copy those finalized rules and head into my settings. From the sidebar, I'll navigate to Personalization, then open Custom Instructions and paste the human-like rules into the box. After I hit Save, ChatGPT will consistently use this tone for all my future projects, saving me a ton of time on manual editing. If you found this walkthrough helpful for making your AI content more authentic, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.